Hi there, Jimmy here from the Onside team, bringing you another help video. In this video, we're going to cover off Team Locator. So jumping into Community and then Internal in your web portal, along the top here, you'll have Team Locator. So from here, I can see any or all of my teams. So I can go that one, for example. So this is an up-to-date dashboard for today. From here, I can see which property they checked into, when they were last seen, arrival, check-in time, how long they expected to be on the property for when they actually left, how long that was, any comments or jobs that they put when they're doing the check-in, and also which team they belong to. If I want to go back before today, I can then just click history, and then I can choose my day range. So maybe I want to see the last 7 days instead, and that's the history there. Or maybe it's the last 30 days. And I can export that as a spreadsheet whenever I need. Alternatively, if you jump back to your company dashboard and scroll down a bit, you also have a summary of what's going on with your teams here, with the Team Locator box here, and clicking See More will take you straight through to that Team Locator dashboard as well. So that is using Team Locator. Thanks.